Are you having issues with your network in Windows 11? Maybe you're experiencing slow internet speeds, connection drops, or just a complete inability to connect. Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you how to reset your entire network and start fresh. By the end, you'll have a clean slate for your network settings. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let me quickly explain what a network reset does. It removes all your network adapters and their configurations like Wi-Fi networks and passwords, Ethernet settings, and VPNs. Windows will reinstall these adapters and return your network settings to default. It's like hitting the refresh button on your network. First, make sure you have these things ready before resetting your network settings. Your Wi-Fi network name and password. You'll need to reconnect after the reset. Any VPN or proxy settings, as these will also be erased. If you're using static IP settings, note them down because they'll be reset to automatic. All right, now let's perform the network reset. Follow these steps. Open settings. You can do this by typing settings and opening the first result. Navigate to network and internet. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and select advanced network settings. Scroll down under more settings, click on network reset. This page provides a detailed explanation of what will occur when you reset everything. After reviewing the information, click Reset Now to proceed. Confirm the reset when prompted. Once you confirm, Windows will begin the reset process. Your PC will restart automatically, so save any open work before proceeding. After your PC restarts, you'll need to reconnect to your network. Here's how. Click the Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon in the taskbar. Select your Wi-Fi network and click Connect. Enter your Wi-Fi password. If you're using Ethernet, it should connect automatically. If everything looks good, congratulations, your network is now reset and working as it should. If you still experience issues after the reset, try these. Check your modem and router. Restart them to ensure they're functioning properly. Update your network adapter drivers through the device manager. Run the built-in Windows troubleshooter for network problems. And that's it. Resetting your network in Windows 11 can solve a variety of connectivity issues. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.